How to overlay images on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to overlay images on an iPhone using built-in tools and third-party application. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your app store, and once you're in your app store, you're gonna click on the search icon at the bottom right. So once you click on that, you're gonna go and search for any third-party editing application. For example, I'm gonna type in Canva because I find Canva very easy to use. So I'm gonna search for Canva, and this is the application, so you can just download it. I've already gotten it downloaded, that's why it's written update. So I'm just gonna click on update, and if you have not downloaded Canva yet, you'll be able to see an installation option. So you can just click on install and Canva would be downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you can simply click on open, and once you do so, you will be redirected to Canva. So what you're going to do is click on this plus icon here at the bottom, and then here you're going to click on upload. So you can click on photo library and select the particular picture for the background that you want to choose. For example, I have selected this image, and once you select an image, you can click on done. Once you click on done, you will be able to see that image again. So you're going to click on use in a new design. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to the editing canvas of Canva. So you'll be able to see that image over here like this. Now after that, you're going to select any other picture that you wish to add on this picture as an overlay. So what you're going to do is click on camera roll and select that particular picture. For example, I have added this picture, and now you can see that you can adjust this picture anywhere you can, and you can also drag it and also change the size. You can replace it, you can crop it, you can also adjust it according to your own choice. And you can also remove background, which is the premium version of Canva. You can also adjust the image if you want to change the filter. After that, you can simply click on download over here in order to download this image. So that was basically how you can overlay images on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.